Hello, everyone. My name is Alexander Herrera. Week 4 completed. It was I want to say, very challenging um, compared to all the classes that I've taken in my life. But I really enjoyed the class. I've learned a lot from day one in this class. My challenge, it was very challenging starting on week 2, but week 3 really I got hit really bad, but it was very good. I just wanted to say that I learned so much because I knew Java, but I guess that helped me a little bit with JavaScript. So I know that they're different, but it, it opened up my mind. But I learned a lot with this class. I learned, especially with this project, I did a lot of research of so many methods, so many loops, and all that good stuff. For example, compared to last week, like creating objects or object arrays. So that was a little bit of a challenge last week. So I had trouble with that, calling them, creating them. It wasn't as bad as calling them, but with this project, I think I did really well in that part. Just took me a while to figure it out, but um, but yeah, I started working on this project last Friday. So yeah, what took up most of the time was doing research, um, and I got excited while doing my project, so I got into it, and then later I couldn't figure it out. So, but basically, of this week, it helped me a lot with understanding the concepts of last week. I used a lot of booleans, which um, like I did checking if whatever you would put, um, the code will still work, or it'll console.log a response. So I was very happy about that. But basically, what I'm glad was that I used functions within functions. It was much easier to call them in the end of this week, like yesterday morning. But in creating each function, loops within loops, calling them returns, and and I was using a bunch of what do you call it, like the characters like for and or in my code, using a bunch of methods like for strings like charAt, index of, substring, and something that I've never used before was split. That one was pretty interesting, but I caught that one quickly, so I was very happy about that. And some other things that threw me off was, besides uh, string, was the parse int, but at first, but just took research and understanding the concept and putting it into my code. So I'm glad that I learned that, and learning other methods like the replace method, and with arrays, like converting strings into arrays. I know that with split, so I was very good about that. And returns. I wanted to say that returns last week was horrible for me to understand, but this week I understood the concept very well, and I was doing a lot of trial and error with this project. So this project was very beneficial in my case. But I didn't have any help from any classmates in this class, or yeah, in this class I didn't have any help. But but basically that was it. I learned a lot in this class. I want to thank Professor. I've learned a lot and for helping me. Um, so I want to thank you for that. And if you have any questions, please email me. Thank you so much.